Gather your pattern paper, your pattern, pencil, ruler, paper, scissors, and pattern weights. You should use a pencil, but I will be using a Sharpie during this video to make sure the lines are visible. Draw your grain line on the paper. Place the pattern over the line you just drew and line up the grain lines. Mark the grain line completely through on the pattern to help you line these up accurately. Use pattern weights to hold the pattern in place while you're marking. Trace the pattern above the shorten and lengthen line. Mark below the shorten and lengthen line on both sides according to the desired measurement. I'm extending my sleeves 1 inch, so I'm marking 1 inch below the shorten and lengthen line. Now move pattern down and line up the shorten and lengthen line with new marks just made. Don't forget to keep those grain lines lined up with each other. Now trace pattern below the shorten and lengthen line. Remove the pattern and true up the lines by connecting the 2 points. Mark all of your notches. Now label your new pattern. Place the pattern on the paper and trace it, making sure to mark the shorten and lengthen line, grain line, and all notches. Draw in the shorten and lengthen lines. Next, mark above the shorten and lengthen line according to the desired measurement. I'm shortening this sleeve by 1 inch, so I am marking a line 1 inch above the shorten and lengthen line. Mark your grain line. Now slice the shorten and lengthen line. Grab your tape and move the bottom part of the sleeve up to meet the second line you drew. Make sure the grain line is still lined up. Tape in place. True up the lines by connecting the 2 points. Label the new pattern.